Arey yaar, I'm literally frustrated, because of my procrastination habit. I start everything with so much motivation and enthusiasm, but something happens that I'm unable to finish it. I have thought that I will complete one certification. I have started that, and after say 3 months, I lost that interest. And it is still incomplete. I have picked one book. I really wanted to read that, but half I went, like, I have read around 50 pages and then I left it. I lost that interest. I joined gym. I thought that, I'll build my muscles and then, I'll gain, like, a lot of confidence by doing that. I have done that for a couple of months, but then lost that interest. Now, I am not, now people are not believing in me. Whenever I say that I wanted to do this, they say that, you always say you will do this, that, but you will never continue. First, you complete it, then you tell. This is the kind of, image I have created for myself. I'm literally fed up here. Like, I'm literally demotivated. And I think that, I'm fit for nothing. Have you heard this guy sharing his pain? He was so frustrated, demotivated because he starts everything with a lot of passion but never used to complete. If you are in the same situation wherein you are starting so many things but unable to finish it, then this particular video is definitely going to help you. Now, why this happens? Why we procrastinate? See, our mind always takes action, keeping two things in consideration. One, always your mind would like to take actions where it will get pleasure and run from pain. Now, say for an example, you decided to reduce weight, and for that, you have to go for exercise early morning. 3 4 days you have done. Now it is a big pain for you. Your mind perceive it as a big pain. What will happen? You will start avoiding this particular task. Why? Because sleeping is a pleasure for your mind. Now, what to do? Say suppose you had a heart stroke. You went to hospital, you somehow survived, and doctor said that you have to go for morning exercise on daily basis without fail. Now what will happen? I'm sure you will definitely wake up in the morning and go for exercise. Why? See, now sleeping and not going for exercise is a bigger pain, and going for walk and exercise is a lesser pain, which is considered as a pleasure. So if you have say 10 tasks which you have started but not finished, write it down in a piece of paper. Make a column, and the next part you write it down. What are the pleasures you are getting by not doing those tasks? And the third column you write that what will happen if you don't finish this task. So write all the worst come possible situations which will happen. Say for an example, if you are not waking up early in the morning because you enjoy sleeping, write it down in the third column that if you don't go for walk, you may land up having brain stroke. What will happen? You will get paralyzed and you will not be able to wake up from your bed. You will be dependent on others. Make it so painful and visualize it that if you're not taking action, this will happen. That will push your brain, your mind to take action. If you want to do this particular task along with me, then join my Facebook group. And there I will invite you for a 3-day workshop. This 3-day workshop is absolutely free of cost. I'm not going to charge anything. No commitments. And there I will tell you step-by-step actions which will help you learn how to take action immediately and achieve 10 times more productivity.